Okay, good morning to everybody. Today we'll start the first chapter, part 2, salts and indices. In our previous lecture, we have studied about salt and indices and discussed different kinds of formula to solve different kinds of problem of salts and indices. So today we'll start another chapter. Suppose this is the we have simplification. Find the value of this 0.3 to the power 1 by 3, 1 by 27 to the power 1 by 4, 9 to the power 1 by 6, 0.81 to the power 2 by 3, and in the denominator 0.9 to the power 2 by 3. Okay, 3 to the power minus half, 1 by 3 to the power minus 2, 243 to the power minus 1 by 4. Now we have to simplify this. That means we have to find out the exact value of this problem. Now this 0.3 can be written as 3 by 10 and 0.81 can be written as 81 divided by 100. Okay, that means we have to remove the point. 0.9 can be written as 9 by 10. This way we can write so 3 by 10 to the power 1 by 3, 1 by 27 to the power 1 by 4, 9 to the power 1 by 6, 81 divided by 100. 0.81 can be written as 81 divided by 100, and power will be what? 2 by 3. Okay, 9 by 10, 0.9 can be written as 9 by 10 to the power 2 by 3, 3 to the power minus half, 1 by 3 to the power minus 2, 243 to the power minus 1 by 4. So 3 by 10 to the power 1 by 3 and 1 by 27 can be written as 1 by 3 cube, right? 27 means 3 cube. Now 9 means what? 3 square. Okay, and 81 means what? 3 to the power 4. 81 multiplication, but each 9 gives 3 square. So 81 equals to what? 3 to the power 4. And 100 means what? 10 square. Similarly, this 9 can be written as 3 square and 10 to the power this 2 by 3 and 3 to the power minus half and 1 by 3 to the power minus 2. 243 can be written as 3 to the power 5. Remember it. 5 times of 3 makes 243. Okay, 3 to the power 5. Now 3 to the power 1 by 3. This 3 by 10 can be written as 3 into 10 to the power minus 1, because in denominator power of 10 what? 1. So to make it inverse, we have to we get 10 to the power minus 1. Similarly, 3 to the power minus 3. 1 by 3 to the power 3 can be written as 3 to the power minus 3. And 3 square, same. And 3 to the power 4 and 10 square can be written as 10 to the power minus 2. Okay. And similarly, 3 square and 10 to the power minus 1. 3 to the power minus 3 to the power minus half. Then 1 by 3 can be written as 3 to the power minus 1. Okay. Square. Then 3 to the power 5
স্যার আপনার সাউন্ড গুলো আসতেছে না।
হ্যাঁ, হ্যালো, শোনা যাচ্ছে?
না স্যার,
হ্যালো,
স্যার এখন
শোনা যাচ্ছে এখন স্যার।
ওকে ওকে। 3 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, 3 to the power this power 1 by 3 will be multiplied to 3 and 3 to the power 1 by 3, and 10 to the power minus 1 to the power this power and 1 will be multiplied, so minus 1 by 3. Okay, now 3 to the power minus 3 to the power 1 by 4, that means minus 3 to minus 3 and 1 by 4 will be multiplied, so we get minus 3 by 4. Okay, 6 will be multiplied, so 2 by 6 we get. 2 by 6 means what? 1 by 3. Okay, now 3 to the power 4 and 2 by 3 will be power, this power and this power will be multiplied, so 8 by 3 we get 8 by 3, and square 10 to the power minus 2 to the power 2 by 3 means what? 4 by 3. Okay, minus 4 by 3, and 3 square to the power minus 2 by 3 will be what? 3 to the power 4 by 3. Okay, and 10 to the power minus 1 2 by 3 what will be? 10 to the power minus 1 multiply minus what? Plus, so 2 by 3, and 3 to the power half, and 3 to the power minus 2, and 3 to the power 5 by 4. Okay, now how many 3 here? Actually 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. This 8 3 will be same base 3. This is why taking one base we have to add all powers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 power will be added each other. Then 10 how many? 1 2 3. Only 3 10. So taking one base power will be what? Added. So we get 3 to the power what? 1. Okay, just taking sum of this, and here after taking LCM we get 10 to the power minus 1. So 3 by 10 will be the result of this simplification. Now another example 11a, simplify 2 to the power m plus 3 multiply 3 to the power twice m minus n multiply 5 to the power m plus n plus 3 multiply 6 to the power n plus 1 divided by 6 to the power m plus 1, 10 to the power n plus 3, and 15 to the power m. And this is the second one. First of all, we have to find out the first one. The given expression can be written as x equals to this. This is the given expression. Okay, this is given expression. 2 to the m plus 3, 3 to the power twice m minus n multiply 5 to the power m plus n plus 3, 6 to the power n plus 1 divided by 6 to the power m plus 1 multiply 10 to the power n plus 3 multiply 15 to the. Now this expression can be written as 2 to the power m plus 3 and 3 to the power 3 to the power 3 to the power twice m minus n. Okay, 5 to the power m plus n plus 3, and 6 can be written as what? 2 into 3. Okay, 2 into 3 what? 6 to the power n plus 1, and this 6 also can be written as 2 into 3, and this 10 can be written as 2 into 5 to the power n plus 3, and 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Okay, 3 5 15. This is why. Now just this same, and this also same, but 2 to the power n plus 1 into 3 to the power n plus 1. We have to distribute this power. Okay, we have to distribute this power to 2 and 3. Okay, now similarly we are distributing this power to the power 2 and 3 to the power m plus 1. Similarly 2 to the power n plus 3, 5 to the power m plus 3, and 3 to the power m, 5 to the power m. So 2 2 same base, 3 3 same base, and 5 5 same base, and 3 now taking 2 2 to the 2 same base, this 2 and this 2 power will be added, and this 2 power will be negative. Okay, minus m minus 1, minus m minus 1, and this power will be minus n minus 3. Similarly for 3, this 3 and this 3 power added. Okay, and for this 3 and this 3 power will be minus, because power will be sign changed. Minus m minus 1 and minus m. Okay. Similarly for 5 to the power this one, and here here also 2 5 to the power n plus 3 and 5 to the power m. So this power will be sign changed, minus n minus 3 and this power minus m. So adding all power to each base, we get 2 to the power 0, 3 to the power 0 and 5 to the power 0. You must know something to the power 0 equals to what? 1. So we get the simplification 1. Okay, similarly the expression for the second expression, 2 to the power twice n to minus 3 into 2 to the power twice n into 2 to the power minus 2 and 2 to the power n minus 2 into 3 to the power n into 3 square divided by 3 to the power n into 3 to the power minus 4, 2 to the power twice n into 4 cube minus 2 to the power twice n. Now this 2 to the power twice n, 2 to the power twice n will be common. Okay, taking common. Then we get 1 minus 3 divided by 1 by 2 square. 1 by 2 square means what? 4. 3 by 4. And here 3 to the power n and 3 to the power n will be common. Okay. Then we get 1 minus 2 divided by 3 square means what? 9. This is why minus, this is why it will be in denominator. Now this 3 to the power n and 3 to the power minus 4 means what? 1 by 3 to the power 4. 1 by 3 to the power 4 means what? 1 by 81. Into 2 to the power twice n and 4 cube means what? 64. Okay, 2 to the power twice n will be common here. So 64 minus 1. Just this expression and 3 to the power n and 3 to the power n will be cancelled. 2 to the power twice n and 2 to the power twice n will be cancelled. So we get, after taking LCM, this expression. So this gives simple result 0.25. Okay, example 12, simplify. There are two problems. 4 to the power n multiply 2 to the power 20 to the power m minus 1, 12 to the power m minus n, multiply 15 to the power m plus n minus 2, 16 to the power m, 5 to the power twice m plus n, 9 to the power m minus 1. For the first part, we have this, we have to simplify this. This is the actually in DCL form. Now this 4 can be written as 2 square, okay? 2 square to the power n. And this 20 can be written as 4 into 5, okay? 4 into 5. 4 means what? 2 square into 5. Now this 12 can be written as 4 into 3, okay? 4 into 3. 4 means what? 2 square. We have to divide, right, in a short form, okay? 2 square into 3. Now this 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Power will be same. Similarly, in denominator, 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4 and 5 single 5 and 9 can be written as 3 square. So power to the power, okay? This power will be multiplied. That means 2 to the power twice n. This 2 and this m minus n will be, m minus 1 will be what? Multiplied. So 2 twice m minus 2 and 5 to the power m minus 2, m minus 1, okay? Power. Similarly, this 2 square to the power m minus n can be written as this power and this power will be multiplied. Twice m minus twice n, okay? 3 to the power m minus n. 3 to the power m minus n. Similarly, this 3 and power will be this. 5 to the power same. Okay, just distributing power. Now, 2 to the power 4 to the power m. This power will be multiplied. That means 2 to the power 4m. Similarly, 5 to the power twice m plus n. Okay, and 3 to 3 square, this 2 and this power m minus 1 will be multiplied. Twice m minus 2. Okay, now here are these two and these two will be same base. Okay, just power will be added and these two power will be minus 4m. Okay, similarly this 3 and 3 will be power added and this power will be sign changed, twice minus twice m minus plus 2. And for 5, this 5 and this 5 power will be added. Okay, power will be added and this power of 5 will be sign changed, minus twice m minus n. That means we are making same base. Okay, now 2 to the power we get twice n cut, twice m cut, and 4m also cut. We get only 2 to the power minus 2. Okay, this minus 2 will be exist. Similarly, this all will be vanished and we get 0 after subtraction and addition. 3 to the power 0. Similarly, we get only 5 to the power minus 3. Minus 1 and minus 2 will be exist. M will twice m cancelled, and minus n will be cancelled. Okay. So we get only 5 to the power minus 3. So 1 by 2 square, and 1 by 5 cube will be exist. 3 to the power 0 means what? 1. And 2 square means 4, and 5 cube means 125. 4 into 125, what? 500. This 500 can be written as 0.002. Similarly, we can simplify the second part. This one, 3 to the power twice n minus 5 multiply 3 to the power twice n minus 2, 5 to the power n minus 3 into 5 to the power n minus 2 divided by 5 to the power n minus 4 into 9 to the power n plus 3 minus 3 to the power twice n. So this can be written as 3 to the power twice n. This 3 to the power twice n minus 2 multiplied with what? 5. So, and 5 to the power n minus 2, n minus 2 will be common. Then this will be 5 to the 5 square minus 3. Just taking common, 3 to the power twice n. You can distribute this also, 3 to the power twice n into 3 to the power minus 2. Okay. You can write 5 to the power n into 5 to the power minus 2. Then taking 5 to the power n common and 3 to the power twice n will be common. Then this 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay. 3 square. So power will be multiplied 2 into twice n plus 3. Then 3 to the power twice n will be what? Will be you can take common. So 3 to the power twice n, 3 to the power twice n will be cancelled, and 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n will be cancelled. Then we get this. After simplification, we get 0.34. Okay. 3 to the power twice n minus 5 multiply 3 to the power twice n minus 2, 5 to the power n minus 3 into 5 to the power n minus 2. Then 5 to the power n minus 4 multiply 9 to the power n plus 3 minus 3 to the power n. And this is the 11 part B. Okay. Now how we can simplify this? This equals to can be written as 3 to the power twice n minus 5 to the power 3 to the power twice n into 3 to the power minus 2. Okay. Similarly, 5 to the power n minus 3 into this can be written as 5 to the power n into 5 to the power minus 2. This divided by 5 to the power n minus 4. This can be written as 5 to the power n into 5 to the power minus 4. Okay. And 3 square can be written as n plus 3 minus 3 to the power twice n. This equals to 3 to the power twice n minus 5 to the power 5 multiply 3 to the power twice n. This can be written as 1 by 3 square. Okay. Similarly, 5 to the power n minus 3 into 5 to the power n into 1 by 5 square. This divided by 5 to the power n into 5 to the power minus 4. This power will be what? Twice n plus 6 minus 3 to the power twice n. This 3 to the power n, 3 to the power n will be what? Common. 1 minus 5 divided by 9. Okay. And this 5 to the power n will be common. 1 minus 3 divided by 25 divided by 5 to the power n. This will be 3 to the power twice n. Okay. 5 to the power n, 5 to the power minus 4. And from here 3 to the power twice n will be common. 3 to the power twice n will be common. And 3 to the power 6 minus 1 will be exist. Now this equals to this 3 to the power n, 3 to the power twice n will be, and 5 to the power n, 5 to the power n will be what? Cancelled. So after taking LCM, 9 minus 5 divided by 9 and 25 minus 3 divided by 25. This divided by what will be? 5 to the power n and 5 to the power n will be cancelled. So 1 by 5 to the power 4 multiply 3 to the power 6 means what? Do you know? 3 to the power 6 means what? Can you tell me? 3 to the power 6 means 3 to the power 4 means what? 81. 81 multiply 9. 729. 729 minus 1. So this can be written as 4 by 9. Okay, 4 by 9 multiply. This will be 22 divided by 25. Okay. 1 by 5 to the power 4 means what? 625. And this will be 728 divided by 625. So this equals to 4 by 9 multiply 22 divided by 25 multiply 625 divided by 728. This result will give the exact value of the this. Understand everybody? Hello? Understand?
जी सर.
Easy or hard? Hello? Easy or hard? I hope it will be very easy for you. Previous class e koraisilam. Now another example, if 9 to the power n into 3 square into 3 to the power minus n to the power minus 1 minus 27 to the power n divided by 3 to the power thrice m into 2 cube equal to 1 by 27, then prove that m equals to 1 plus n. Okay, m equals to what? 1 plus n. We have to prove this. Now we are given this one. We are given this one. Now we are given that this one. Okay. Now this 9 can be written as 3 square. 3 square. Okay. And this 3 square. 3 to the power minus n minus 1. Okay. Now 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. That means 3 cube. Okay. Now 3 to the power thrice m and 2 cube and 1 by 27 in right hand side. Now this power and power will be multiplied twice n. Okay. And 3 to the power 2 and minus n minus 1 multiply what? Minus n minus 1 multiply n. 3 to the power n. So this 3 to the power n and this 2 can be written as 3 to the power twice 2 plus n minus 3 to the power thrice n. Okay. Power multiply. Now 3 to the in denominator 3 to the power thrice m 2 cube 1 by 27 in right hand side. So this can be written as 3 to the power thrice n. That means 3 and 3 same base. This is why power will be added. So twice n plus 2 plus n, what will be? Thrice n plus 2 minus 3 to the power thrice n. Denominator 3 to the power thrice m into 2 cube. Okay, this equals to what? 127. Now these 3 to the this power can be distribute by what? 3 to the power thrice m into 3 square. Okay, we can write this 3 to the power thrice m into 3 square minus 3 to the power thrice m. So taking 3 to the power thrice n common, 9 minus 1 and 2 cube means what? 8. So 3 to the power thrice m, 3 to the power thrice m, we can write 1 by 27 means what? 1 by 3 cube. So 8 will be cancelled and 3 will be same base. This is why thrice n minus thrice m, power will be sign changed, and 1 by 3 cube means what? 3 to the power minus 3. Now same base on both sides. Okay. So if the base are same, then we can write the power will be as equal. Okay. So power will be same. Now from this we can write m equals to n plus 1, dividing by 3 on both sides. Very easy for you. Now another example 14, show that 9 to the power n plus 1 by 4 into 3 square root over 3 into 3 to the power n divided by 3 to the power square root over 3 to the power minus n, and second bracket to the power what, 1 by n equals to 27. We have to prove this result. And in second part, this one, 16 into 3 to the 32 to the power m minus 2 to the power thrice m minus 2 to the power m minus 1, 16 to the power m minus 5 into 5 to the power m minus 1 divided by square root over 5 to the power twice m equals to 1. We have to prove these two result. Now for the first one, left hand side equals to this. 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, 9 can be written as what, 3 square. Now this 3 and 3 to the power n can be written as 3 to the power n plus 1. Base same, power will be added, and power square root over can be written as half power, and this 3 into 3 to the power minus n to the power half, square root means what, power half, second bracket this 1 by n. This is the left hand side. So this power 2 and n plus 1 by 4 power will be multiplied. 2 okay, this is the actually rule for indices. A to the power 1 means a to the power 0 means 1, and for same base power will be added. Okay, but for division power will be just minus, power will be unchanged for the denominator. This is the example. And a to the power m to the power n, this means power over power will be multiplied, and we can distribute the power like this. Similarly, a to the power a by m can be written as like this. Okay, and a to the power minus m can be written as 1 by a to the power m. Understand everybody? And similarly 2 to the power 4 minus can be written as 1 by 16. 1 by 2 to the power 4. Okay, 1 by 2 to the power 4 means what? 1 by 16. A to the power m by n can be written as square root over nth root. This will be nth root over a to the power m. 8 to the power 2 by 3 can be written as cube root of 8 square. Okay, cube root of 8 square. Understand? Hello? Understand everybody? Okay, similarly we can use like this basic formula, similar formula. Okay, mth root over m will be cancelled. Understand? But mth root over a can be written as a to the power n by m. Remember it. Okay, this is the rule of certain indices. Same rule, basic formula. You have to understand this formula. Just mth root over a can be written as n 1 by m. Okay, and power will be multiplied. Remember it. And mth root over a to the power m can be written as a. Mth root over a also can be written as mnth root over a to the power n, and n will be cancelled. Same. A square, square root over a square means what? A. That means a square root means what? Power half. A square root means what? Power half. This is why only single a. Understand everybody? Nine 49 to the power half. 49 to the power half means what? Here 49 to the power half means what? Do you know? 49 means what? 49 means 7 square. But this half can be written as square root. Okay. square root, and half and square root will be cancelled. This why 7 square makes 7 only. This is the rule of for same, surd and indices. You have to remember this and follow these rules. Understand everybody? So this square root will make half power. Square root also make power half. This one, this half, 3 to the power n plus 1 to the power half. Now this 2 and n plus 1 by 4 will be power multiplied. 2 and multiplied 2 by 4. 2 by 4 means what? Half. And 3 to the power n plus 1 by 2. Okay, n plus 1 by n plus 1 power and half also power. So multiplication what will be? N plus 1 by 2. This is power, remember it. 3 to the power n plus 1 by 2. Now this 3 and this power minus n and half multiply what? Minus n by 2. Minus n by 2 multiply. So same base, this is why 1 minus n by 2. And second bracket, third bracket to the power whole power. This to the power what? 1 by n. So, and this 3 and this 3 and this 3, all are 3 same base. So you can write 3 to the power this 1 and 3 to the power n plus 1 by 2. And this power will be changed, sign changed. That means 1 will be minus 1 and n by 2 minus n by 2 makes plus n by 2. So we can write 3 to the power minus bracket this one. And we have to make same base. And power will be added. Power will be added. 3 to the power this 1 by n. So after simplification, taking LCM, we get thrice n only. 3 to the power thrice n, 1 by n. And n will be cancelled only 3 cube. 3 cube means what? 27. And this is the right hand side. Okay. প্রশ্নটা 3 square 14 example 9 to the power n plus 1 by 4 into 3 square root over 3 into 3 to the power minus n divided by 3 into 3 to the power minus n second bracket power 1 by n to the equals to 27. Okay, this can be written as, or now we have to prove this. Okay, this result. Now take left hand side. Left hand side. This will be the left hand side. This 9 can be written as 3 square. Okay, n plus 1 by 4. This will be n into square root over. This is the square root over what? N plus 1. There are 1 only. So 3 to the power n plus 1 can be written as, and power square root over can be written as power half. Okay, 3 into and 3 to the power minus n to the power half. Okay, not seen now. Hello,
স্যার এখানে তো কেউ নেই স্যার।
to the power 1 by n. 3 square 2 to the 2 n. 2 multiply 1 by 4 what? Half. Okay, into this will be 3 to the power n plus 1 by 2 divided by this 3 and into 3 to the power what? Minus n by 2. Okay, minus n by 2 and second bracket to the power 1 by n. So this equals to, and this 3 can be written as 3 to the power twice n plus half plus n plus 1 by 2 divided by this 3 to the power 1 minus n by 2 whole power n. This equals to 3 to the power can be written as twice n plus half plus n plus 1 by 2 minus 1 plus n by 2. The power what will be 1 by n power. Okay. Now if we take LCM here, LCM will be what? 2. 4n plus 1 plus n plus 1 minus 2 plus n. To the power what will be? 1 by n. This equals to 3 to the power. This will be what? 4n and this n and this n. How many? 6n. Okay. How many n? 6n. Okay. Now 1, 1, 2 and 2 plus 2 minus 2 what? Cancel. So 6 to the power n, 6n divided by 2 to the power what? 1 by n. This equals to 3 to the power thrice n to the power 1 by n. 1 by n and n multiply. What will be? Cancelled. So we get only 3 cube. Okay. This 3 cube means what? 27. This is the right hand side actually. So this is the full maths for you. And I hope everybody understand this. Just making same base, taking all power L together. We get this. So this is the result. 3 to the power thrice n to the power 1 by n. 3 cube means 27. This is the actually right hand side. Now for the part B, another part, 2 to the power 4. This is the left hand side. And we have to prove this equals to what? 1. Okay. Now this 2 to the power 4 and 2 to the power 5 can be written as 5 to the power 2 to the power 5m. Okay. 5m and 2 to the power 4. We can make it 2 to the power 5m plus 4. Just same base 2 and power will be added. Now 2 to the power thrice m minus 2 and this power what? Twice m plus 2 will be power added, twice m plus 2. Similarly in denominator for the first part 15 into 2 to the power m minus 1 and power will be here for 2 power what? 4m. So 4m will be added to make same base minus this 5 to the power m and 5 to the power minus 1. So 5 to the power m minus 1. And here also another 1. So 5 to the power m minus 1 plus 1. Now 5 to the power twice m to the power half means what? 2 cancelled. Only 5 to the power m. So making same base. Now 2 to the power 5m will be common from these two. Okay. 2 to the power 5m will be common. Here 2 to the power thrice m and 2 to the power twice m. What? 5m. So 2 to the power 5m will be common and here 2 to the power 4 left minus and minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled. So only 1. Similarly 15 into 2 to the power what? M minus 4m, m plus 4m what? 5m and 2 to the power minus 1 here. Okay. Minus 5 same base, just power will be sign changed. Minus m. 1 cancel and mm will be also cancel. So 5 to the power 0. And here 2 to the power 5m, 2 to the power 5m will be what? Cancelled. And 2 to the power 4 means what? 16. 16 minus 1 what? 15. 15 will be cancelled. So all are will be vanished. 2 to the power 0 into 2, this 2. And 2 to the power minus 1 what? 1 by 2. 1 by 2 means what? Only 2. 1 by half means 2. So we get only one result. And this 15, example 15 will be homework for you. I have we have learned in our previous class these types of maths. Okay, now example 15, show that 1 x to the power a, x to the power divided by x to the power b to the power a plus b, x b x a to the power a plus c, x to the power c to the divided by x to the power a to the power c plus a equals to 1. And here m plus nth root, okay, m plus nth root over x to the power n square, and here square root over x to the power m square. And first of all, for the first problem, suppose this is the left hand side, okay, for the first problem, x to the power a divided by x to the power b, x to the power b, x to the power c, x to the power c, x to the power a, and power will be a plus b, b plus c, c plus a. Okay, now if we take same base x, then power will be what? Minus b plus b will be minus b, a minus b, and here b minus c we get using the same formula of indices. And x to the power c, and this will become x to the power c minus a. Now a minus b, a plus b formula what? A plus b into a minus b, do you know? A square minus b square. Okay, a plus b into a minus b. Factorization formula what? A square minus b square. Similarly, b plus c, b minus c what? B square minus c square, and c plus a, c minus a what? C square minus a square. Here these three base are same. This why making same base, and power will be what? Added. So a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. A square cancel, b square cancel, c square cancel. So you get only x to the power 0. X to the power 0 means what? 1. And this is the right hand side. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, for the second problem, this is the left hand side. X to the power m square divided by x to the power n square. This is the square, remember it. And power will be 1 by m plus n. This is m plus nth root. M plus nth root over x to the power m square, x to the power n square, n plus p root over x to the power n square divided by x to the power p square, and p plus mth root x to the power p square divided by x to the power m square. So this is the left hand side for this. Now this is the same base, okay? X will be same base. So x to the power m square minus n square, and power will be what? 1 by m plus n, right? Now x to the power n square and p square can be written as n square minus p square. Same base, this is why. And division, indices rule for division what? Minus. And power will be what? 1 by n plus p. Now x to the power p square and x to the power m square will be p square minus m square. This is the p square m square. There is a typo problem. And power will be 1 by p plus m. So a square minus b square formula what? A plus b into m minus b. So m square minus n square means what? M plus n into m minus n. So m plus n will be what? Cancelled. So only m minus n will be exist. Similarly, n square minus p square what? N plus p into n minus p, and n plus p will be cancelled. Power over power. This is why. So n minus p will be only exist for the second term. Now p square minus n square power. This is also a formula. P square minus m square what? P plus m into p minus m. So p plus m will be cancelled. Only p minus m will be exist. So this three same base, and same base makes the power added. Same base. This is why m minus n plus n minus p plus p minus m. So we get after m will be cancelled and n will be cancelled. P will be also cancelled. So x to the power 0 equals to 1. Now similarly for the third problem, this is the actually left hand side for the third problem. This is the q plus x to the power. This is the whole power. Remember it. Q plus r divided by r minus p. This is the whole power. X to the power. X to the power power. This is whole power. R plus p divided by p minus q to the power 1 by q minus r. And p plus q divided by q minus r also power. And this is also power over power. We have to show this equals to 1. And this is the left hand side. Okay. So this power multiply power makes this. Okay. Because q plus r minus p into what? 1 minus p. This power and this power will be multiplied. So r minus p into p minus q. R minus p into P minus Q. Similarly, P minus Q into Q minus R and Q minus R into R minus P. Same base are same, x to the power. This is whole power, remember it. So x to the power, this plus this, same base. This is why we are making one base. Power, adding all power. Now taking LCM, LCM will be P minus Q, Q minus R, R minus P. So taking LCM and dividing by this to denominator, and then the result will be multiplied with numerator. Then we get this result. Q minus R, P plus R, R plus P into R minus P, and P minus Q into P plus Q into P minus Q. So multiplication will be this, and this means what? Q square cancel, R square cancel, P square will be cancelled. So x to the power 0 divided by this we get. So this means what? X to the power 0. 0 divided by something means what? 0. This is why x to the power 0, and this is actually 1.
স্যার এগুলো আমাদের কাছে ছিল তো ওই দিন দেখাইছে।
Okay, actually this is the formula we are using in each maths, and this is the loss. A to the power minus n equals to 1 by a to the power n. This is the negative index law, and a to the power 1 by n can be written as nth root over a. Remember it, nth root over a. A to the power 1 by n can be written as nth root over a. So a to the power half. So a to the power half can be written as square root. Okay, a to the power half means what? A to the power half means what? Square root. A to the power 1 by 3 means what? Cube root. A to the power 1 by 4 means fourth root. Remember it. This n may be on many big, P plus Q, M minus P, any one power will be make like this. So you are using same formula, remember it. Okay, I have shown you in previous. This is the main formula for you. Square root over means what? A to the power half. You have to remember this. Square root a over a means what? A to the power half. That means square root over 4 means what? 4 to the power half. Understand everybody? And cube root of a what? A to the power 1 by 3. So cube root over 27 can be written as 27 to the power 1 by 3. But 27 means what? 3 cube. This is why 3 cancel, only 3. So nth root over a can be written as a to the power 1 by n. So nth root over 2 can be written as what? 2 to the power 1 by n. Understand everybody? Hello?
জি স্যার।
Okay, this is a very important formula for you we are using, and something to the power 0 means what? 1. Okay, and this is the third loss. This is also. Okay, thanks to everybody. Today we have discussed actually the part of second part of Sartre indices, and this is the first. This was the second part. So in next day we will try to understand the third part of the Sartre indices. Okay, till then, thanks to everybody, and
Yes.
best of luck
Yes,
to
sir.
everybody.
আসসালামু আলাইকুম স্যার।
Wa alaikum assalam.